Alright guys, this is a quick review of the JSAUX phone holder for the Tesla Model 3. Probably fit the other model as well. It's actually really cool because it's one of those ones where you could just clip it on and then screw everything tightly. And it's not a permanent solution. You can always take it off if you wanted to. So, which is what I like, because you could put it on the left side. You could flip it and put it on the right side as well, so that you have different options to do different things here. Install was really easy, so I just it comes with a magnetic clip with the phone. So you see this is a phone case. So the only thing to watch out for is you want to make sure you place the magnetic ring at the angle that you want it, because you don't want the phone to be blocking the display, right? So for instance, if I'm the vertical, that was fine. So but if I'm placing it on horizontally, you want to make sure that the end of the phone don't really overlaps on your screen, so that would be that would not work. So you want to make sure that you test it out first before you actually take off the sticker and put it on. So other than that, everything else is really straightforward. So this is how it looks, and it's all adjustable on the top here, and you can kind of just move this around, so which is really cool. It goes pivots on a pivot ball over here, and yeah, so this is just a really quick review of how this works. I've been using this just one last thing, I've been using this for about a week now, I think, and no issues. This thing stays on solid. There's no issues with it, so I don't think I'm gonna have issues, because this thing is it's a pretty sturdy. So there you go.